Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact antibiotic dose and how long you must take it. This matters for side effect risk. Once confirmed, check allergies and any other medicines you take because interactions change how the drug behaves. Now set a simple schedule. Take with recommended food or water, note times on your phone, and keep snacks handy to limit nausea. Doing these first steps reduces harm and keeps treatment effective. As you continue antibiotics, focus on protecting your gut and overall tolerance. Take a probiotic dose about 2 hours after each antibiotic dose to help preserve beneficial bacteria. This reduces diarrhea risk. Also, make sure to drink plenty of fluids, roughly 2 to 3 liters per day unless your clinician advises otherwise, because hydration helps clearance and reduces headaches. Meanwhile, avoid alcohol and spicy or acidic foods since they amplify stomach upset and can interact with some drugs. Finish the entire prescribed course unless your clinician tells you otherwise. Stopping early can cause relapse or resistance. After finishing, monitor for delayed effects like a persistent rash, severe or bloody diarrhea, or breathing changes. Those require immediate attention. If you experience moderate side effects, pause non-essential supplements and contact your provider to adjust therapy. If symptoms worsen or you see signs of allergy,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.